Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In April 2026, the Reserve Bank of India permanently cancelled the banking license of which payments bank? Right answer is option C, Paytm Payments Bank. Which state cabinet approved the Artificial Intelligence Policy 2026 in April 2026 to promote innovation and technological development? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who assumed charge as the new director of Power Finance Corporation in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Rajesh Kumar Agarwal. In April 2026, which country became the first in Europe to successfully operate an integrated lithium project covering both mining and refining? Correct answer is option C, Finland. Which police unit became the first in India to introduce an AI based multilingual feature in its Namma 112 emergency helpline in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Bengaluru Police. In April 2026, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh participated in the SCO Defence Ministers meeting held in which city? Correct answer is option C, Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Who launched the nationwide mobile based disaster communication system SASHE in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Jyotiraditya Scindia and Amit Shah. In April 2026, scientists from which country discovered a new mineral named cerium magnesium in a lunar meteorite? Right answer is option B, China. Who flagged off India's first private orbital rocket Vikram 1 manufactured by Skyroot Aerospace for Sriharikota? Right answer is option C, A. Revant Reddy. Which company became the first private fintech company to directly join the Reserve Bank of India's centralized payment system? Right answer is option A, PayPoint India. In April 2026, from which country was international drug trafficker Mohammed Salim Dola extradited to India under Operation Global Hunt? Right answer is option C, Turkey. Where did the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology through CERT in organize the Samvad 2026 National Cybersecurity Conference from April 27th to 29th, 2026? Right answer is option A, Goa. In April 2026, which Indian naval ship became the first to visit Las Palmas port in Spain's Canary Islands? Right answer is option D, INS Sudarshini. In April 2026, where did Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw inaugurate the bullet train manufacturing plant Aditya? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Which country formally joined the three India led global initiatives International Solar Alliance, Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, and Global Biofuel Alliance in April 2026? Correct answer is option B, Jordan. In which district of Uttar Pradesh will the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority establish a Basmati and Organic Training Center? Right answer is option B, Pilibhit. How many coal mines are covered under the historic agreements signed by India for the first ever use of underground coal gasification technology? Right answer is option A, 4. Gurbakh Singh Grewal, who passed away in April 2026, was a renowned player associated with which sport? Right answer is option C, hockey. Ayushman Bharat Day was observed on which date in 2026? Right answer is option C, April 30th. Which train will operate IRCTC's 14-day Bharat Bhutan Mystic Mountain Tour launched from New Delhi? Right answer is option B, Bharat Gaurav Deluxe AC Tourist Train. In April 2026, whom did Dabur India Limited appoint as its new Chief Executive Officer? Right answer is option A, Harjeet S. Bhalla. In April 2026, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh addressed the Defence Investors Summit held in which city? Correct answer is option A, Munich, Germany. Where did DRDO and the Indian Navy conduct the first successful salvo launch of the Naval Anti Ship Missile Short Range from a helicopter? Right answer is option C, Chandipur, Odisha. In April 2026, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched the indigenous silicon photonics process design kit at which institute? Right answer is option D, IIT Madras. For the first time, Israel planned to include how many common civilians in the second batch of Gaganyaan mission astronauts? Correct answer is option D, 4. Which country won the Thomas Cup 2026 badminton title in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, China. Which state became India's first state with a completely paperless judiciary in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Sikkim. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. According to the World Migration Report 2026, which country was the world's top remittance recipient in 2024? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country won the Uber Cup 2026 badminton tournament title? Right answer is option C, South Korea. In May 2026, who took charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Right answer is option B, Anugrah Narayan Das. In May 2026, who was appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Right answer is option B, Rohit Jain. Which startup became India's first space tech unicorn in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Skyroot Aerospace. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Right answer is option C, 157th rank. Which city in India will host the first International Big Cat Alliance Summit on June 1st to 2nd, 2026? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country launched a naval operation named Project Freedom to safely evacuate merchant vessels detained by Iran in the Strait of Hormuz? Right answer is option D, United States. Which political party won the highest number of seats in the 2026 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections? Right answer is option A, Tamilaga Vetri Kazagam. Which country developed the world's first zero carbon emission direct coal fuel cell, also known as the coal battery? Correct answer is option C, China. Where did Union Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurate India's first multi lane free flow barrierless toll system in May 2026? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. In May 2026, between India and which country was the second edition of the bilateral military exercise Sinbax 12 conducted? Right answer is option B, Cambodia. Which Indian journalists were honored with the prestigious Pulitzer Prize 2026? Right answer is option B, Suparna Sharma and R.K. Anand. Which became India's 18th railway zone in May 2026? Right answer is option A, South Coast Railway. On which date was World Red Cross Day observed in 2026? Correct answer is option C, May 8th. In May 2026, the Union Cabinet approved a proposal to increase the total number of judges in the Supreme Court, including the Chief Justice, from 34 to what number? Right answer is option C, 38. Which portal was launched by Niti Aayog to ensure real time governance and last mile delivery of government services? Right answer is option D, CPO portal. Where did Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan launch the fourth phase of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Raigad, Odisha. Which state government launched the Quarrel mobile app to strengthen disaster management? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. With which rocket was Galaxy's world's first Optosar satellite mission Drishti successfully launched in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Falcon 9. On which date was World Migratory Bird Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option A, May 9th. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Prasar Bharati in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Prasoon Joshi. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.